School leaders, one of the biggest challenges we face is ensuring every student receives high-quality, actionable feedback without overwhelming our teachers. GradingPal's student feedback system combines the speed of AI with the professional judgment of teachers. This allows schools to deliver consistent, personalized, and standards-aligned feedback at scale. It's not just about saving time. It's about creating a system where every student gets clear, meaningful feedback that helps them improve. Let me show you how that works once a submission has been graded. After GradingPal grades your assignment using your custom rubric, you get a first draft of scores and student feedback. Teachers can immediately review both the score and that suggested feedback. One of the most important aspects is that the feedback is directly aligned with your rubric and your standards. As you can see, each comment and each section of comments here is tied to specific criteria, making it transparent for both teachers and students exactly where the work stands. When setting up an assignment, teachers have the opportunity to choose between 6 styles of feedback. Here, we're looking at the actionable style. Here, we're looking at the targeted style, probably our most popular. You can see that when you select a comment off to the right-hand side, the exact relevant part of the student's text is highlighted on the left, or vice versa. In addition to actionable and targeted, which we've already looked at, teachers could choose from glow and grow, structured feedback, which directly maps to each rubric row, sandwich, where we get something positive, something to work on, and something positive again, and Socratic, which is structured purely around questions. The feedback is high quality, but it's first draft. Also, by scrolling all the way to the bottom of the feedback, we can say that we want to edit all of the feedback as a batch, for example, saying we want to add examples, make it shorter, add more detail, make it more encouraging. I'll say add examples. The feedback is clearly organized into what students did well and specific examples for improvement. This helps students understand their progress and gives them concrete next steps. For teachers, this means saving 60 to 80% of the time they usually spend on just crafting the feedback, while actually improving its quality and consistency. For students, it means receiving timely, specific, and encouraging feedback that helps them clearly understand their strengths and exactly what to work on next, more often than they ever got that kind of feedback in the past. And for schools, it creates greater equity. Every student receives thoughtful, rubric-aligned feedback, regardless of the class or class size. It also supports teacher retention by reducing burnout and helps leaders build a stronger, more consistent culture of feedback and continuous improvement across classrooms. If you're looking to strengthen feedback practices in your school, I encourage you to explore GradingPal's student feedback tools.